In weight loss, eating the right portion size is essential. However, many people who are trying to lose weight find it hard to control food portion sizes. Well, it is really tough at first. But, once you have learned how to control it, you will be able to make some changes on how you eat and will let you think of food portions as a tool to lose weight successfully and eat in a healthier way. It may be impossible to measure each morsel that passes on your lips. However, it is a great idea to start measuring beverages and foods until you've got the feeling for considering right portion sizes for you to lose weight. With the millions of foods out there, you might be surprised that a single serving or 2 servings can make a difference. So, learn how to reprogram your mind about portion sizes, as this can play a huge role in weight loss. Understanding portion sizes. People often relate serving sizes to the amount of particular foods that are placed on their plates, like at restaurants. Unfortunately, that's not what portion sizes are. More often than not, portions that are served are not really the true serving size. That is the reason why some find it tough to control portion sizes. Many people don't often measure their foods even when at home. Usually, they guess what one serving of food item is. Due to this, some don't understand the meaning of true portion size. For you to know more about portion sizes, try to measure the serving size of your foods. In this way, you will not be able to control your calorie intake, but also you learn to watch portion sizes. General rule of thumb when placing portions on your plate. There are various ways on how you can control portions. Some of these are the following. The size of a baseball or a fist of a woman is equal to a serving of fruits and vegetables. A rounded handful is about the same as a half cup of pasta or cooked rice. The size of card's deck is approximately 3 ounces of meat, which is a common serving size. The large egg's size or golf ball is about 1/4 cup of nuts. A computer mouse has the same size of a small potato. Aside from those mentioned ways, measuring is still considered as the best way to make sure that you are eating the right portion size. Once you've measured your foods for the meantime, you can guarantee that you are getting the right serving size. If you are not sure if you got the right size, try placing less on your plate. Then, if you are hungry, go for a second half portion for you to be sure. Why change your mind about salt? Although salt is an essential part of one's diet, eating too much of this can be harmful. In fact, statistics show that majority of Americans eat too much salt. For your body to function properly, you need to consume 500 milligrams each day. What sodium does? It is not necessary to remove salt from your diet. Experts still advised dieters to use this in order for your body to work properly. Sodium is an element that balances your body fluid, plays a part in contraction as well as relaxation of muscles, and transmits nerve impulses. However, too much amount of sodium in your diet may have a negative effect in one's body. This holds and attracts water, which lead to increased blood volume that makes your heart to work harder than it used to be. Using herbs for your weight loss. In today's modern world, most foods found in the market are unhealthy. That is the reason why you need to be wise when searching for foods that will suit on your diet and will lead you to weight loss results. If you think you got the right ingredients, adding fresh herbs on your dish can make a difference. There are tons of fresh herbs out there that you can use. Some of them include parsley, basil, oregano, cumin, thyme, rosemary, chives, black pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, paprika, chili powder. Each of these can either be savory or spicy. There are several that are sweet. There are herbs, which can be paired with fruits for spices and healthy desserts that will add flavor on your healthy diet. These herbs can be found easily. You can find them at the nearest local store in your area. Getting started when using fresh herbs. Some people who are used to artificial foods might think that adding these foods can be challenging. Of course, it can be difficult to start with herbs, especially if you haven't considered these kinds of foods for a long time. In order for you to be successful with these herbs, here are some tips that you may consider. Get fresh herbs. The fresher the herbs, the greater the benefits will be. Dried herbs still have flavors, but they don't come with other healthy attributes. If you want to use fresh herbs, just chop them into small pieces and then follow the instructions on your own cookbook. Grow your own. Fresh herbs are not costly as what other people think. If you want to enjoy savings and avoid hassle when shopping on a grocery store, then start growing herbs at your backyard. Through this, you will not just be able to save money on buying herbs, but also it will be much easier for you to cook your recipes regularly. Adding fresh herbs on your diet is a good idea. However, before you decide to add this, make sure to consult your physician first. The reason behind it is that there are some people who have allergies with herbs. Therefore, if you don't want to face any inconvenience when losing weight, then find out which herbs are best suited for you.